toddlers! Welcome to Happy Tunes Kids Music! Let's sing, let's learn, let's start the music! Hello, little friends! Come along on our year-long adventure. There are 12 months to learn today. Let's sing, smile, and play our way. Every month is special too. Come and learn them, me and you. January starts the year. Happy smiles are always here. A brand new year, so bright and new. So many fun things we can do. February is for love. Little hearts and hugs galore. Kind words, caring every day. Sharing love in every way. March is for the windy breeze. Dancing leaves on happy trees. Clouds go floating in the sky. Watch the little birds fly high. April brings the gentle rain, helping flowers grow again. Raindrops fall, drip, 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 splashing in a rainy trip. May is full of flowers bright, blooming in the warm sunlight. Red and yellow, pink and blue, pretty flowers just for you. June is for the sunny sky. Fluffy clouds are floating by. Warm sunshine, happy days. Let's enjoy our outdoor play. July is for fun outside. Running, laughing side by side. Kites fly high above the trees, floating gently in the breeze. August is for learning new. Books and pencils wait for you. Learning letters, shapes, and songs. Everyone can sing along. September is for school and friends. Learning fun that never ends. Reading stories, counting to so many things for us to do. October is for pumpkins round. Orange pumpkins on the ground. Costumes, laughter, smiles so wide. Happy fun for all inside. November is for pumpful hearts. Sharing love is where it starts. Helping family, helping friends. Kindness never, never ends. December brings a joyful cheer. The happiest time of the year. Twinkling lights and songs we sing. Joy and love to everyone bring. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months make one whole year. We can say them loud and clear. Months of the year, now we know. Watch our happy learning grow. January starts the year. February brings good cheer. March and April, rain and breeze. May and June, flowers and trees. July, August, fun to do. September, learning something new. October, November, December too. Every month is special too. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in one whole year. We learned them all. See you again for another fun song. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December! What comes after August? September! What comes after September? October! And after October? November! What is the last month of the year? December! How many months are in one year? 12 months! Let's say them one more time. January, February, September, October, November, December! You did it! Great job, little learners! Before you go, Happy Tunes Kids Music! We'll be sharing brand new songs and learning every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Don't forget to ask a grown-up to subscribe to our channel. And ring the little bell so you never miss a new adventure. Bye-bye, sunny friends!